the number wasn't the same for all the vehicles, but the answer is really simple. I did a video earlier on how to restart your Honda radio code. If you open your glove compartment, there's a sticker in the inside. When you replace the battery, your radio goes, "No, I don't want to work." And the easiest way to fix that is to put in the code. Now, I don't know about any other years, but I do know that the 2002, the radio code is 55646. And how we got that in number is we called the parts department at a Honda place because, well, we bought this thing used and we didn't know what the specific radio code was. And so I'm going to show you here how to install the code. And when you turn it on, it says code. So I'm going to do the radio code of 55646. That's how you find the code for your radio. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe and, well, be a friend. Thanks. Be safe. Bye-bye.